Mark, look at this paper. It is the electricity bill. It is very expensive.
Oh no, let me see. It is $100. This is a big problem.
We use too much energy. We need to save money. I am worried.
Why is it so high? Do we leave the TV on? I don't know.
Yes, the lights are always on. We are not careful. We must change today.
You are right, Emma. I want to help you. Let's start now.
Let's look at every room. We can check the lights. We can check the machines.
I have new LED lamps. They're in the garage. I will go now.
LED lamps are very good. They save a lot of energy. They are cheap.
I have the ladder here. It is near the door. Please help me.
I will check the windows too. Is there cold air? I feel the wind.
The heater is on now. It is very hot here. Let's turn it off.
Wear your warm sweater, Mark. I have a blue one. It is very soft.
I like this sweater. It is very warm. I am okay now.
I am turning the heater down. It is 20 degrees now. This is good.
20 degrees is perfect. We are saving money already. I am happy.
Every small step is important. We can save $40, I am sure.
I am on the ladder now. I am changing the bulb. It is easy.
Please be very careful, Mark. Don't fall down. Hold the ladder tight.
I am safe. Don't worry. The new lamp is white. It is very bright.
I am starting our challenge. I have a pen. I have a calendar.
I want to win this. Our house is green now. We are a team.
We are a great team. We are smart people. Let's do more work.
What is the next step? I am ready. Tell me, Emma.
Look at the wall sockets. There are many cables. Let's unplug them.
I see the phone charger. It is in the wall, but the phone is not there.
It uses energy all day. Please pull the plug. It is very important.
Okay, it is out now. What about the toaster? We don't use it.
Unplug the toaster too, Mark. It is better for us. We save more.
I am a green detective. I find every red light. This is fun. The new light is beautiful. It is very clear. I like this room.
It uses very little power. The old lamp was bad. This is much better.
We have 10 lamps here. That is a lot. Now they are all LED.
Yes, we are saving power. Look at the kitchen now. The fridge is hot.
The fridge is near the oven. That is not good. The oven is hot.
The fridge works very hard. It uses double energy. We must move it.
We can move it Saturday. My brother can help. He is very strong.
That is a good plan. My laptop is on now. I will turn it off.
Turn it off completely, Emma. Don't use sleep mode. It is better.
Okay, it is off now. The house is quiet. I like the silence.
I am unplugging the coffee machine. We don't need it. We are finished.
Good job, Mark. You are very fast. You are a good helper.
I want to save the planet. I want to save money. This is important.
Look at the windows again. There is a small gap. I feel the air.
I have some special tape. It is very sticky. I will fix it.
Put the tape on the wood. It blocks the wind. It keeps us warm.
I am doing it now. It is very easy. The wind is gone.
I have a door snake here. It is for the floor. It looks funny.
Put it near the door. The hallway is cold. Now it is warm.
The house feels very cozy. We have no wind. We have no cold.
We did not turn up heat. We are very smart. I am proud.
This tape was only $5. It is a cheap fix. I like it.
We must close the curtains. Do it at 6 o'clock every evening.
Do curtains help with energy? I didn't know that. Tell me why.
They are like a blanket. They keep the heat inside. It is simple.
I will close them every day. It is my new job. I won't forget.
I will help with the big ones. They are very heavy. We can do it.
We have a green fortress now. No cold can enter. We are safe.
You are funny, Emma, but you are right. We are very safe.
Let's talk about the shower. Don't use much hot water. It is expensive. Mark, look at the TV. The small red light is on. It is always on.
Yes, it is on standby mode. Is that bad for energy? I don't know.
Yes, it uses electricity all night. We must unplug the TV. It is better.
Okay, I am pulling the plug. The red light is gone. The TV is off.
Look at the microwave now. The clock is always glowing. We don't need it.
You're right, Emma. We have a clock on wall. We don't need two clocks.
Unplug the microwave too, please. We only use it sometimes. It is efficient.
It is done. What about the computer? It is in the office.
The computer is on sleep mode. It uses power for nothing. Let's go there.
I am turning it off now. I am pulling the cable. The office is dark.
Good. What about your electric razor? Is it charging? I see it.
Yes, it is in the bathroom. It is always charging. I forgot about it.
Please unplug it now, Mark. The battery is full. It doesn't need more.
You are a very good detective. You see everything. I am very impressed.
I want to save every cent. Every cent is important. We're being smart.
I am checking the coffee machine now. Is it okay to unplug? I love coffee.
Yes, unplug it now. We can plug it in morning. It takes 1 minute.
Okay, the coffee machine is out. The kitchen is very quiet. I like it.
No more hum from the machines. The house is very peaceful. It is nice.
I see a lamp in the corner. It is not on, but it is plugged.
Pull that plug too, Mark. If we don't use it, unplug it. That is the rule.
This is a very good rule. I am learning a lot. My habits are changing.
We have 5 phone chargers in walls. That is too many. Let's take them.
I am taking them all now. They are in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Put them in the drawer, Mark. We only use them for charging, not all day.
I am putting them away now. The wall looks very clean. I like this.
We're saving a lot of power. This is very good for us. I feel great.
I am checking the hall again. Is there anything else? I am looking.
I think we are finished with plugs. You did a great job. Thank you, Mark.
It was my pleasure, Emma. I am a green hero. Let's continue the work.
Emma, I feel cold air here. It is near the window. I feel the wind.
That is a draft, Mark. The heat is going out. The cold is coming in.
This is why the heater works hard. The window is not tight. This is bad.
I have some special tape here. It is for windows. It is very sticky.
Let me see the tape. Is it easy to use? I want to try.
Yes, just put it on edges. It blocks the cold air. It is very simple.
I am putting the tape now. I am pressing it hard. It is very tight.
Can you feel the wind now? Is it still there? Please check it.
No, the wind is gone now. The window is very warm. This tape is great.
I have another thing for the door. It is a door snake. It is soft.
It looks like a long toy. Is it for the floor? Tell me more.
Yes, put it near the door. It stops air from hall. It is very cozy.
I am putting it down now. The hallway is very cold. The room is warm.
We are blocking the cold air. This is a very cheap fix. It works well.
The heater can rest now. It doesn't work so hard. We are saving money.
We must close the curtains too. Do it at 6 o'clock every evening now.
Why 6 o'clock? Is it for the dark? I want to know why.
When it is dark, it is cold. Curtains keep the heat inside. It is easy.
Like a blanket for the window? That is a funny idea. I like it.
Exactly. It is a blanket for our home. It keeps us very warm.
I will close them all now. It is 6:30. It is time.
I will help you with the big ones. They are in the bedroom. Let's go.
The house is very dark now, but it is very warm. I feel very cozy.
We don't need a lot of heat. We have our sweaters too. We are smart.
I am wearing my warm socks too. My feet are very happy. This is good.
We are making our home a fortress. No cold can enter here. We are safe.
You are very clever, Emma. You have many good ideas. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mark. We are doing this together. We are a great team.
Let's sit on the sofa. We can have some tea. It is very warm.
That is a great idea, Mark. I am going to the kitchen. See you. I am making pasta for dinner. The water is in the pot. I am ready.
I am very hungry, Emma. Let's use the big burner. It is very fast.
No, use the small burner, Mark. The pot is small. This is more efficient.
You are right. I forgot. Don't waste the fire. Use only the pot.
And please put the lid on. The lid is very important. It saves time.
Why does the lid save time? I want to see water. I like the steam.
The lid keeps the heat inside. The water boils very fast. It saves gas.
Okay, the lid is on now. I can hear the water. It is boiling already.
See? It is much faster with lid. Now turn the flame down. It is enough.
I am turning it to low. The water is still boiling. This is very good.
We are saving energy while cooking. This is a double win for us. I am happy.
I am making the sauce now. I am using a small pan. Is this okay?
Yes, it is perfect for one person. It uses very little energy. Good job.
I am using the microwave for bread. Is the microwave better than oven?
Yes, for small things it is. The oven is too big. It uses too much.
I am only heating one piece. The microwave is very fast. It is 30 seconds.
Good. The oven is for big dinners, not for one piece of bread. That is wasteful.
I am learning the kitchen rules. No big burner for small pots. Use the lids.
You are a very good student, Mark. Our bill will be very small, I am sure.
I am turning off the kitchen light. We have light from the hall. It is enough.
No, keep it on for safety, but turn it off later when we are finished.
Okay, I will turn it off then. I am very careful now. I check everything.
The pasta is ready now. It looks very delicious. Let's eat it in the room.
Should I turn off the stove completely? I am checking the dial. It is off.
Yes, it is off. The kitchen is safe now. No more gas or heat.
I am taking the plates. They are very warm. This is a nice dinner.
We saved energy and made food. This is a double win for us. I am happy.
And we have a candle on table. It is very romantic today. I like it.
The candle is beautiful and green. No electricity for light now. Only the candle.
This is a perfect evening, Emma. Let's enjoy our green pasta. It is great.
Mark, come here quickly. I have the new bill. It is on the tablet.
I am coming. I am very nervous now. What is the final number?
Look at the screen. It is only $60. We saved $40.
$60? That is amazing news. Our hard work was successful. I am happy.
We did it, Mark. The LED lamps worked. The unplugging worked too. We are smart.
And the door snake was great. The kitchen was very warm. No more cold air.
I like our new green life. It is not difficult. It is just being careful.
We have $40 more now. What should we do? Let's have a treat.
Let's go to the cinema tonight. We can see a movie. I like funny movies.
That is a great reward for us. We worked very hard. We deserve a fun night.
Turn off all the lights first. No wasted energy tonight. Check every single room.
I am checking the chargers now. They are all out. The house is very safe.
You are the best energy manager. You are even better than me. I love you, Mark.
I learned from you, Emma. You are a great teacher. Let's go to the city.
We can save even more next month. I have a new plan. It is a green plan.
I want a smart thermostat now. It is very high-tech.
It is very cool for us.
Does it help with the money? Is it easy to use? Tell me about it.
Yes, it controls the heater. It is very smart. We can use it with phones.
We can look for it online tonight. But first, the movie. Let's go now.
Don't forget the keys, Emma. They're on the hook. I have my keys here.
I have my keys too. Let's lock the door. 1, 2, click. It is locked.
The house is green and safe. I am ready for the movie. Let's drive the car.
I am very happy today, Mark. We are a great family. We are a green family.
Yes, we are the best green family. No more big bills for us. Never again.
I'm excited for the movie. I want some big popcorn too. Can we buy it?
We have $40 for popcorn. We are rich today. I'm joking.
Yes, rich with energy savings. This is the best day of the year.